How should I create a wedding photography business in India? Well, welcome, and I really congratulate you for taking that interest of becoming a wedding photographer and starting a business because I really appreciate that you are looking to start a business. And starting, to be very honest, starting wedding photography business in India, I'll be talking about in India, it's very easy. It's completely easy. Starting a business, creating a business, it's very easy. And running it and making it successful, that is a completely separate story. I'm not talking about that. I'm just saying that how should you create, right? So the first thing first is I've made a video like few months back how you can create a brand with 15,000 rupees in India. So there are certain legal things that you have to take care of. First thing is obviously you need to have a trade license, you need to have a current account, and I'll put a link to that video in this in the description below so you can just check it out. And apart from that, when you are looking to create your wedding photography business, the first thing that you need to understand and you need to have is you need to have a portfolio. How will you convert a client? How will you have a client? Do you have a portfolio? If not, then make one. Don't do bridal shoots and all. This is quite rampant. Don't do bridal shoots and say them as wedding photography. Don't do that. That is not being honest. Don't do that. Don't start your business with a lie. Don't do that. Just don't do that. So when you're starting a business, work as a freelancer and build up a portfolio. Use that portfolio, and first of all, if you don't have a physical store or a physical location where you are starting your business, typically people don't have. I never had. So you have your online store. So your first thing that you need to do is create a good looking website, functional website. Don't buy all those bullshit, or sorry, all those crappy websites. Don't do that. Create website. Creating it's very easy. You have to spend a little bit of money. I think within 2-3 thousand rupees you will be able to have a basic website with a template. You can buy the template from Theme Forest and have it customized or something of that sort. You can find a freelancer on Fiverr, Upwork, or ask a friend around because there are lots of web developers around and they can definitely help you out with that. You need to have a logo. If you're not really interested in investing in building a logo, then you can use Canva, CANVA, and there are many presets and you can use those layouts, samples to create your own logo. From there, you can just start off. Create a website. The website should have a home page, the package page, and your portfolio and contact us. These are the basic things that needs to be there. And the most important thing is obviously social media is very important for you because you have to socially engage with your clients. You have to create your Facebook profile, Facebook page rather, Twitter page. uh, Instagram is a very good source, and there are multiple wedding portals in India. Wedmegood is there, Urban Clap is there, Flat People is there. There are multiple websites where you can create your profile there and upload your portfolio for to get work or to get backlinks and all. So it will be useful for you. And after that, what you need to do is you need to have equipments. If you cannot buy them, rent them. But do make sure that when you're covering a wedding, you need to have two bodies, two camera bodies, because if one fails, the another one will back you up. Else never do a wedding alone with single camera. Never do that. Never do that. You never know when your camera will go out, your camera will overheat, and that point of time it'll be really bad. You don't want that. So you need to avoid that. And later on, when you are hiring someone, sorry, when you're booking someone or someone is hiring you, you need to have a contract. You need to have a contract. Word of mouth, don't do that. You need to have a proper contract. If you don't have a proper contract, then your client might sue you and you will lose a lot of money and it will create a lot of stress. Don't do that. Do not do that. Have a contract, have a written agreement between you and your client, clarifying each and every point, ifs and buts, worst case scenario. So if something goes wrong, at least you are safe. You know what is going to happen and how to take control of that. After which, uh, the whole process is done. And this is how slowly and gradually you can just build up your business, build up your wedding photography business. And initial getting your first client will be the hardest. You can just go around talking to wedding banquets, makeup artists, caterers, and have a word with them. Ask your friends around for your first client. You might even consider doing it for not for free, don't do it for free, but at a very nominal cost. Or maybe go tag along with another photographer for a wedding. So, this is how you can start your own wedding photography business in India. Uh, but right now, wedding photography businesses in India, it's quite competitive. At least in Kolkata, it's quite competitive. Everyone is there with a camera working around. But it's fine. It's up to you how you are going to survive and create your own niche, because wedding in India is a very big business. It's a $1 billion business. So, best of luck.
And before you go, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more useful information every week. Also, like and share this video if you found this video useful. I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below with your questions or suggestions. This channel is supported by viewers just like you. You can also just click the thumbnail and watch another video from this channel. I'll see you guys soon.